Hi guys, today I will show you how to add already installed games to your Epic Games launcher. First you need to see whether Epic Games is installed on your system or not. It is installed on my system, so I will directly go to the Epic Games launcher. As you can see, this is my library. GTA 5 is already installed on my external hard drive, but it is not showing. Extra install option is coming. Now what we need to do, we need to go to the installed path. This is my previously installed path. As you can see, GTA 5 is here. You can rename it to anything. So basically I'm renaming it to Real, GTA 5 Real. Now what you need to do, you need to go to the Epic Games launcher again. Now you need to click on the install. You can choose the same path. So I'm choosing the installed game path. I'm clicking on install. Okay, so it has started the process. Okay, so basically what it will do, it will create a base folder and some environments and all, so we can cancel it now. After canceling the installation, I can directly go to the installed games path. As you can see, GTA 5 folder has been created. Now what we need to do, we need to delete this folder. You see I deleted this folder. You need to rename this folder to GTA 5, the previously mentioned folder. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to click on resume. I clicked on resume. Now what it is doing, it is verifying the files. If there is any small update or something, it will download that update, but it will use the installed for our installed game as the base game. So it is verifying the files. So that is it. This is how you can add already installed games to your